Bonjour, Kinamagin Ireland Dijnikas, and welcome to today's reading lesson. Today's topic, independent reading for March 5th. Today you'll use your Google Classroom to first link to either Reading A to Z, and that's the Kids A to Z link, or here at Epic. And here's your class code, WEW8316. You should read for at least 15 to 20 minutes, and then you're going to have some opportunities to tell us about what you read and whether you would and how you would recommend it to another reader. You'll be able to use a Google form or a paper copy or a Flipgrid. So you click on the Flipgrid link and you're going to join with Google. Sometimes it will not make you do this all of the time, but so log in as me. And then I can go ahead and you can see I have two things here. I have the video and I can record a response. I should watch the video before recording the response. So let's see what kind of riveting presentation that this fine young lad produced for us this time. Bonjour, Kinamagin Ireland and Dijnikas. If you are watching this Flipgrid right now, chances are you're leaning towards creating a Flipgrid to tell us about what you read. Just like the written assignment, you should tell us a little bit about what you read, your basics, the who, what, when, where, why, and how. And then you should also tell us why we should read the same book. Give us those selling points of what you enjoyed. You are allowed to use things like frames, like I have up here and around the edge. You can use some of the stickers. We used to call them emojis on here, but now they're called stickers. You can also see the board that I was able to partially split screen. So you had the galaxy and my boat and four-leaf clover flinging around in. And we also have others, like if I wanted to click on effects and I want to go to filters, I suddenly make it green. I mean, it is the month of St. Paddy's Day, which is not just a day, it's a month. Why not? It's March. March is reading month. Do spend your 15 to 20 minutes reading before either writing the paper or coming here and recording this Flipgrid. If you are choosing to do the Flipgrid, have a little fun with it. Go beyond just sitting here and saying, I read about. That's great. You did the assignment, but is it really stimulating you? Does it make people want to watch it? That's one of the things that as you go into presenting, you want to capture your audience. And if it requires Mr. Ireland to be green, so be it. At this point, you should make your determination on whether you're going to continue with the Flipgrid or return and do the Google form. Either way, I look forward to seeing what you present. Miigwech. So then after that, taking time to process the amazingness of that video, you would click record a response. Now it's not going to let me unless I'm off of Zoom. So if you're doing this at the same time we are, you might have to say, Mr. I need to leave the Zoom. I'll be right back after I record. As I mentioned, have a little fun. Reading is supposed to be fun in the first place. It's a great way to learn, to get away, to take yourself to different places. And we want to hear a little bit about what you read, and I want you to sell me on whatever it was you read. Make me want to read it. Make your friends want to read it. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I hope you have a Minogijigad. Minwa, Baba P.